Today I'm going to show you how to weave in your ends. I've made a small sample with a couple of different colours so that we've got a few ends to weave in. So you want to make sure that your ends are about 10 centimetres long. You don't want to make them too long because then you'll be sat here for a while weaving all of them in, and if you're making a big project that's a lot of work. So make them about 10 centimetres long. Get yourself a darning needle with a large eye like this one and start weaving them through your stitches. We'll start with this one, the beginning end. We'll weave it through our needle and we just want to start going back and forth through our stitches. Make sure you're working on the wrong side of your work and start weaving through your stitches like that. And you want to try and go in a few different directions. So maybe go a few more stitches this way. And then come back on yourself, maybe miss the first stitch so that it kind of secures it into place. The idea is to weave it through in and out of your stitches to make sure that it doesn't come loose. So you could even go up through your stitches like this to the next row. And then through some of the stitches on that row. Then back on yourself again. Just keep doing that until you've woven them all in, and then you can just snip the end as close to the stitch as possible. You'll want to do that for all of your ends. I know it seems daunting, especially if you've got a big project and it's so nice on the front and then you turn it round and you've got all these ends to weave in, but that's how you need to finish off your project and make it all secure, so that basically if you wash it or you're using it a lot, if it's an item of clothing and you're wearing it and it stretches, you don't want all these ends to come out. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments, and if you like my videos, please hit like and subscribe to get notifications of new videos. See you next time.